one way of making money online is actually you creating your own products. Creating your own products. So how do you create your own products? I have been an advocate of digital products, turning your expertise into digital products. So people would be willing to invest, or people would be willing to buy from you in exchange of your value, in exchange of your expertise and wisdom and information. They would be willing to give you their money, diba? Or their credit card. So meaning to say, you need to create digital products. You need to create your own products out of your information, out of your wisdom, out of your own experiences, right? So that is the first step. If you would think about it, one big advantage of creating your own products is actually you have full control, right? You have full control of this product, right? Or the pricing. You have full control of, number one, you have full control of the pricing, so you can price it how much however you want to price it. You can price it at an expensive rate or level, or you can actually price it lower, right? So that's one of the parang flexibility that it allows, or that it gives us. If you are the product creator, if you are the owner of the product, you can actually play around with your price. So meaning to say, the pricing, of course, if you can, control the price, the profitability also, increases, right? So you can para bang cater to different segments of your audience, of your market, kasi you can now offer different pricing, right? You can now offer your products at a different price points, right? So that's one big advantage. You have full control. Also, the branding, diba? The number two is the branding. So you will be promoted right now. If you create your own products, automatically you will become branded as an expert. You will become branded as an authority, right? You will become branded as a coach. Diba? People will look up to you because they know that you have this information and you have this wisdom that would be a solution to their problems, right? That could be an answer to their questions. So meaning to say that that product that you'll be launching, aside from, yes, it's a business, meaning it would give you profit, right? It would give you an income source, but it would also create that authority or that brand or that credibility, okay, in your industry. Okay, so for example, you created an ebook, right? And ebooks, of course, gives you that impression, or promotes that impression that you are an expert, right? Kasi parang author ka, right? You are an author, actually, you become an author. So when you become an author, people would look up to you and say, wow, JB, you're an author. So meaning to say, you are an expert, you have something that could help me, maybe, or you have something that would help, people address a certain problem or a certain question, right? So that's number one. So you can create your own products. Although, on the other hand, a disadvantage, guys, of here creating your own products, one disadvantage of this is you need to exert effort, right? It would really take time, effort, and dedication, blood, sweat, and tears, and investment, money as well, right? You have to pour in some investment and some capital for you to be able to create your own products, di ba? Para bang it's a business. So you would, as you create your own products, di ba? Meron kang capital also. So anong capital mo? Number one, your expertise. Number two, time, your efforts, of course, your energy, di ba? Your focus. So you need to exert you need to put in all of these things for you to be able to really create your own product. So if you think about it, really, yung effort, if you're willing to put in these efforts, guys, you might want to explore creating your own products, right? Or you maybe, if you have that capital, if you have that resources, financial resources, you may want to pay other people to create these products for you. That's also a possibility, right? But again, there's a capital, di ba? So that's, on the other hand, no, one thing you need to consider if you want to create your own products. But again, the advantage of that is, syempre, yung profitability also, no, the pricing, the branding is there, right? You have full control with your own products.